This is an advent calendar of epic cuteness. Yes. Every time we say too stinkin' cute, take a sip of your beverage, if you are of age, and don't need to drive. Can you see the way they made it into a storefront? Too stinkin' cute. Yes, too stinkin' cute. Okay, let's get into this calendar. We have stickers, which normally I would say you gotta be kidding me for the price of this calendar, yet they are fabric stickers. Too stinkin' cute. And the two cats, Paul and Joe, are named for the creator's sons. We have a zippered pouch. It does zip partway down on the other side as well. This looks big enough to hold your cell phone, to maybe hold some makeup. The material is a terry cloth, so it's washable. I adore the pattern. Too stinkin' cute. We have a small satchel with a pocket in the front. The fabric feels like it is washable, so this will be cute for the farmer's market or running errands. There is an umbrella, or as they say in France, a parasol. Oh, this is adorable and too stinkin' cute. I'd open it, but Mercury's already in retrograde, so let's not bring down any more craziness on us. But I'm just speechless. We have a cleansing gel and a hand cream. Anne has taken a sniff and says that the cleansing gel smells less perfumey, that the hand cream might be a little overpowering. But still, the packaging on this is just, let's all say it together, too stinkin' cute. They give us 3 different foundation primer combinations. This is the first one, and I hope the camera is picking this up. Can you see the neat embossing on the front? Not only does this one have neat embossing on the front, it also does on the top. Too stinkin' cute. And here is the third one. Too stinkin' cute. This is a blush. A nice color that would go good with many skin tones. Yeah, and it seems to be a decent sized in there. I don't want to open it up and get it everywhere because it was a little messy when I took a look at it at first. Although it's not cracked, it's not broken, it's just a little bit messy, but that's okay. I love their packaging. Too stinkin' cute. Okay, get ready because here comes cuteness overload. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's a kitty cat. And I will admit, when we first opened this, we were a little concerned because it's empty. When I pop off the top, you get this. And we first went, uh-oh, but it's not an uh-oh. This is a holder for lipstick or lip balm. So you take this next item, which has adorable and too stinkin' cute packaging, and pop the top off, and then we roll it up, and here it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh my goodness, it's the head and face of a cat. Oh, I love it. stinking cute. And the idea with this is that you can pop this. This pops out. If I can do it, there we go. Come on, let go. So that came out of its cardboard container. This then goes inside that cat holder. Oh, too stinking cute. In our unboxing frenzy, we accidentally missed this item, an eyeshadow duo. Packaging is too stinking cute. After much deliberation, we have decided our two favorites from the first half of the calendar are the parasol and the kitty cat holder for the lip balm and the lips or the lipstick. And now moving along with this video, because it's just too stinking cute. This one, I will admit, I think it's cute. I wouldn't put it under too stinking cute. Okay, so we maybe hit a filler item, yet unique. I will give it that. We have a face cloth. Look at that detail. Oh, wow, too stinking cute. This is a good quality material, and it's a big enough face cloth. I can put that to use. Slippers. Now, when was the last time you got slippers in an advent calendar? They're stuffed one inside the other, so they're scuffy slippers, but that's okay. I tried them on. I normally wear a size 8 to 8.5 shoe. My foot did fit. So in as much as, yeah, it's kind of a risk putting slippers in an advent calendar. But my feet fit, and the bottom of these are a suede. So they're definitely designed for, you know, house shoes. That's okay. So we have the cat on that side, and then on this side we have the flower that seems to make an appearance on the products. What do you think? Too stinking cute? This little container holds a lip balm, and I took a sniff, and it seems pretty good. It has a festive holiday scent. I believe this next one is a shimmer spray or maybe a highlighter. I'm not 100% for sure. It does look nice though. And again, there's that cute embossing symbol on the front and also on the top. I don't know how well it's showing up, but it's cute. Too stinking cute, eh? This is a little nail oil. Can't hurt to have one of those around the holidays, even year round. We have a body and hair mist, and I've taken a little sniff, and the scent reminds me of Sprite. I don't know if that's what they were intending, but there's the packaging. Too stinking cute. We got a silky hand cream in version 001. We got another cute lip product. It looks like it's a lipstick. This one is not the cat, but this one is also interchangeable with the lip product from the first half of the calendar. So you could swap everything around and put the cat in here and put this inside the cat. And please don't swallow that, Fatima. it is embossed, if it will show up, with the flower. I think that the fact that the whole lipstick lip balm thing is interchangeable is just too stinking cute. Oh, look, I can see myself. Yes, we have a mirror, and it's a decent sized mirror, rather than one where you just see half an eyeball. And there is embossing on that side, which may or may not show up as well, but it matches the embossing that is on the front that may or may not show up very well. A mirror, normally I would, at. This is a decent sized functional mirror. Too stinking cute, or at least too stinking functional. We've been showing so much of the product, we haven't shown many of the boxes. The boxes also make the calendar. And boy, are they too stinking cute. This is the box for day 24. Lots of cats. I wonder what was in this box. Can anyone guess? We have a makeup bag. Too stinking cute. It is got a zippered top. Inside is, I feel around in there, I do feel a small unzippered pouch inside. And the whole thing feels like it could be wiped down if something were to spill inside. There's handles that are being obnoxious at the moment. Here we go. There's handles that are now cooperating. That is a decent size. Oh yes, you could get lots of things in there. And it doesn't have to be just for makeup. In all honesty, that could be a cute little purse. You raise a point. And it's too stinking cute. Yes, it is. After much deliberation, we've come up with our two favorites. We like the slippers, and we like the lipstick and its interchangeable holder. Because I just think it's adorable and too stinking cute that you can move one from the other to the other to the one to the so on and so forth, back and forth. So now I'm almost curious to go on their website and see what other shades are available for possible swapping in and out. What did you see that you liked? Let us know down below. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. This was a calendar of epic cuteness. Yes, it was. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, originally Anne saw this on Instagram. So I went to the actual website, paulandjoe.com, and ordered said calendar at $263 with a value stated to be $500. So I figured that was a pretty good return on my investment. And as near as we can tell, that would make each item at $263 for 24 days. Each item is worth $11. Would I give you $11 for everything in that calendar? Probably not. But for most things, probably yes. And this was definitely a calendar of too stinking cuteness. It was epic in the cute department. So Paul and Joe are the creator's sons, and the cats are named Gypsy and Nanette. I think I said that right. What did you see that you liked? Let us know down below. And how many times did we say too stinking cute? We lost count. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you're enjoying our Advent unboxing this year. If you haven't seen all the videos, go check out that playlist. Oh, there's oodles of them. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. We hope to see you in lots more videos. We've got new stuff planned for the new year. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Happy holidays.